Hello, I'm Alex, the Bacano insurance journalist. I love saving you money on health, car, life insurance, you name it. But what I really enjoy is answering your questions. Got a question today that was a phenomenal question, a great question, a question that many of you probably have. Now, the question that I have here is the following. There's a viewer who is concerned that the accidents that he has are going to impact his soon-to-be ex-wife. Will it or will it not? As far as car insurance goes, let's learn more. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the short answer to that question is that it should not, because the car accidents themselves, as far as car insurance goes, are attached to the named insured. So in the situation of a divorce, you have a split where you have one partner going one way, one partner going the other way, and the accidents are then assigned to that one named insured, and you have two separate policies. Now, there is a complication. There is a moment where this is not entirely always the case. You see, if there's a claim, if there's something that's occurring as far as an accident that is still being processed, at that moment, there's kind of that gray area that car accident or claim that's being processed could very well follow both parties until resolved. There's no denying it. Car insurance is just ridiculously expensive. When we're talking about car insurance, we're dealing with things such as car accidents, we're dealing with driving records, we're dealing with many other things that come into play, such as speeding tickets, you name it, that make car insurance prohibitively expensive in some places. Take a look at an earlier video I made that shows you exactly which are the cheapest car insurance companies for each given category. Doesn't matter whether you're a senior, a teenager, or anyone else. We'll go ahead and make sure that you get the cheapest car insurance by just checking out that video. Some other things that I want to take a look at here in regards to this particular situation that should be discussed are what type of car, or what location does this person live in. All of that ties into the exact rate that they should expect. Now, it's no surprise that when we're talking about divorce and insurance in particular, that it can be quite messy. As a matter of fact, divorced people, men in particular, see rate increases as a result of being deemed a higher risk category. It comes as a shock, the exact same person, exact same driver, but because of the tumultuous nature of divorce and the emotions that are attached to it, people oftentimes undergo complex life changes and things that are taking place in those moments. And that set of events, that toxic combination, often leads to greater insurance rates. Now, here's the thing about it. Those toxic emotions, those feelings, those things that are complicated don't just happen to the adults in the relationship. They also happen to the children. And if you're sitting there thinking to yourself, hey, that sounds like a topic, it is. Check out an earlier video I made in which I was looking at the issue of how to decide which parent is gonna get to carry health insurance and put that child on a health insurance policy. Children have special needs that must be met during this tumultuous period of divorce, and that video is a great resource to go ahead and identify ways to ensure that they are taken care of during that most chaotic of life moments. I want to go ahead and thank you once again for tuning in. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have questions, comments, things that you want to share regarding your experiences with car insurance, divorce, the process of separating, feel free to do so. This is a great time. I love to hear from y'all in regards to these topics. Additionally, too, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe. It really does help out the channel, and I appreciate y'all for it. Lastly, make sure to share this content as it does help grow the channel. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Bye.